Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Code. Today we are going to install the VS Code and set up C or C++. For installing this, you need to open your any browser in your Windows. Open your browser and search for download VS Code in the search bar. Click on the first link which is appearing on your Windows screen. Here you can see various options such as Windows, Linux, Mac and any more options. Click on Windows for installing in Windows, or you can click on any other software which you want to install in your device. You can see the download has been started. Let's wait for a few seconds for the completion of the download. You can see the download is going on. Now the download has been completed. Click on the folder menu. You can see the download has been completed. Click on the VS Code setup. Click on I accept the agreement for installing the VS Code. Click on I accept the agreement and then next. And you can see the files has been appeared. Click on next. Click on next. And click on the empty boxes which is appearing on your screen. Click on next. Now click on install. The installation has been started. Let's wait for a few seconds. The installation is going on. The files are downloading, such as the C or C++ files and many other files in VS Code are still downloading. This may take a few seconds. Now the installation has been completed. Now click on finish and close the window. Let's close this window. Now open your VS Code just for checking the VS Code is opening or not. Yes, our VS Code is opened. These are some settings which you need to ignore first. The next step is we have to install the MinGW downloader. It's because some of the VS Code devices will not work. That's why we install MinGW. Open your browser. Click on new tab. Now search in the search bar MinGW download. Okay, you can search MinGW install. Click on the first link. Now download the MinGW. You can see your download will start shortly. Now we have downloaded the MinGW setup. Click on the folder option. Sorry, it's not working. Again click on the folder. Now click on the MinGW setup. So this we have to install because GCC compiler will not find in some VS Code devices. So to solve the such cases, we have to install this MinGW setup. These are the external files which are going to install in your VS Code through MinGW. This will take a few seconds or few minutes. Wait for a few minutes. I'll skip this for you. Now click on to continue. Our MinGW has been installed. You can see there are external packages in MinGW setup such as MinGW device, MinGW base, MinGW GCC. So GCC is very important to run programs in VS Code. Now we have to check whether the MinGW. Click on those empty boxes and mark for installation. Click for mark for installation. Now go to installation, click on apply changes and click on apply. You can see the files are going to download. The file is downloaded. Now close the window, click on close option. Now our MinGW has been completed. Open your this PC option. Go to the local disk C because the files are stored in that local disk. Click on MinGW folder. Now again click on bin. You can see the option in search bar MinGW bin such type of options. Now copy that. This is because we have to paste in environment variables. Now open your search bar and search environment variables. You can see the environment variable. Click on environment variables. We have to edit that folder in this and we have to paste that in path. Click on path. Now click on edit. So we have to paste this that folder here in this new setup. Now click on to the new option. Now paste that folder. OK, click on OK, again OK, and again OK. Now we have to check whether the GCC has been installed or not. Open your search bar and search CMD. Open your CMD. Now search GCC space -- version. Click on enter. You can see the software has been installed in our CMD. Now close the CMD. Now open your VS Code. We have to install the extension files for this VS Code for C or C++. Click on C or C++. Install the extension. You can see various extensions here. Click on C or C++ and install it. And we have to install another extension which is a code runner. Search code runner. Install the code runner extension. You can see the code runner has been installed. Now we have to do one more change in this VS Code, which is we have to go through settings. This extension has been completed. Click on settings and again settings. Now go to the search bar and search save option. Scroll down. You can see this option. Click on those two boxes. Save all files before running, save file before run. Now let us check this. Let us run a program. Save this file as .c or any hi or anything. Now save. This already exists, so replace it. Yes. Let us run a program. Printf Let us print hi semicolon, and let's type return 0. Now completed. Go to the run option, click on run code. You can see something is going to display. Yes, it is displayed. You can see finally our output has been given. Hi, please subscribe our channel for more technical videos.